If you're serious about metalwork, having the right tools makes all the difference. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best angle grinder for welding, built to handle tough jobs and deliver clean, precise cuts every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Milwaukee M12. The Milwaukee M12 angle grinder is a game changer for welders and metalworkers looking for a compact, cordless option without sacrificing power. This grinder boasts 20% more power than traditional pneumatic models, making it one of the most capable tools in its class. The 0.3 HP motor output ensures reliable, high-performance operation for various grinding and cutting tasks. One of its standout features is the 3-mode RPM control, which allows users to adjust the speed according to the specific demands of the job, offering versatility for delicate detail work or aggressive material removal. Equipped with power state brushless motor technology, the M12 grinder delivers extended motor life and consistent performance even under heavy loads. Combined with Milwaukee's red lithium battery technology, it offers longer runtimes and greater efficiency, freeing users from the limitations of cords and air hoses. The tool is optimized for use with 2-inch accessories, perfect for precision grinding and tight spots often encountered in welding and fabrication work. Part of Milwaukee's M12 system, this angle grinder can seamlessly integrate with other M12 tools, making it an ideal choice for professionals invested in the Milwaukee ecosystem. The lightweight, compact design enhances mobility and access in confined areas, reducing user fatigue during prolonged use.
Number 2. DeWalt Angle Grinder. The DeWalt Angle Grinder is a powerful, reliable option designed for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Constructed from durable plastic and metal materials, this grinder is either made in the USA or imported, ensuring a high standard of craftsmanship. One of its standout features is the next-generation 11-amp AC/DC motor, capable of reaching 11,000 RPM, delivering an excellent power-to-weight and power-to-size ratio for an angle grinder in its category. This balance makes it easier to handle during extended use while providing enough torque for tough grinding and cutting tasks. The DeWalt angle grinder is engineered for durability with a unique dust ejection system that actively removes dust and debris particles from entering the motor and internal components, significantly extending the tool's life. The inclusion of oversized brushes gives this grinder twice the brush life compared to its predecessor, the D28402 model. This thoughtful engineering detail ensures longer service intervals and reduced maintenance downtime. Adding to its longevity is a large spiral bevel gear that provides a long transmission life, maintaining consistent performance over time. The One Touch Guard is another user-friendly feature that allows for 360-degree guard rotation with a simple single action, improving safety and flexibility during operation. This makes it especially handy when working at various angles and positions, a frequent scenario in welding projects.
Number 3. Aoben Cordless Angle Grinder. The Aoben Cordless Angle Grinder is an impressive addition to any metalworker or welder's toolkit, particularly for those who value the freedom of cordless operation without compromising on power. It's powered by a brushless motor, offering superior performance, faster heat dissipation, reduced energy consumption, and an extended lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. This advanced motor design ensures that it can handle everything from metal grinding to tile cutting and surface preparation with ease. A standout feature is its 3 adjustable speeds, maxing out at 9,500 RPM. This versatility allows users to tailor the speed settings based on the application, whether you're performing precision grinding on a delicate weld or cutting through steel tubing. 2 21V 4.0H lithium-ion battery packs power this tool, delivering long run times and the ability to work continuously without worrying about proximity to a power outlet. The Smart Chip protection guards against overload and overheating, extending the tool's operational safety and durability. The Aoben grinder is designed with both safety and convenience in mind. It includes 2 wheel guards, a standard and a half-covered option to protect against sparks and flying debris, which is crucial during aggressive cutting tasks. The universal 4.5-inch size with 7/8 arbors and a 5/8 11 spindle makes it compatible with a wide range of standard accessories. A spindle lock ensures quick and hassle-free wheel changes, while the auxiliary handle enhances user comfort and control.
Number 4. DCK 9.2 Amped Angle Grinder. The DCK 9.2 amp angle grinder is a reliable, high-performance tool tailored for professionals who need consistent power and speed for tough grinding, cutting, and polishing tasks. Its robust 9.2 amp motor delivers up to 1100 W of maximum output power and an impressive top speed of 11,800 RPM, making it a go-to option for welders, plumbers, and metalworkers alike. This kind of output ensures clean, efficient cuts and fast material removal, perfect for prepping weld joints and smoothing surfaces. Time-saving features are abundant on this model. A spindle lock system allows for quick and effortless grinding wheel changes, while a slide switch with a lock-on option provides added convenience during extended use. The two-position side handle offers customizable grip options, enhancing control and reducing strain, which is especially beneficial when working in varied positions or tight spaces. The DCK grinder sports a compact, ergonomic design weighing only 3.5 pounds. Its slim, well-balanced body fits comfortably in the hand, allowing for prolonged use with minimal fatigue. This makes it especially useful for welders tackling large projects where consistent tool handling is critical. The tool's reinforced metal gear housing and labyrinth dust-proof structure increase durability and reliability, safeguarding internal components against debris and extending product life.
Number 5. Dongchang Angle Grinder. The Dongchang angle grinder offers an excellent blend of power, safety, and ergonomics, making it a worthy choice for welders and DIY enthusiasts alike. Powered by a robust 6.7 amp, 800 watt copper motor, this angle grinder reaches a high-speed output of up to 11,800 RPM, providing ample power for cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing applications. Its heavy-duty performance is complemented by an ergonomic, slim grip design that reduces user fatigue during extended operation. Safety is a prime focus with this model. It features a no lock-on paddle switch that immediately halts the grinder when released, preventing accidental starts and offering a safer user experience. This is especially important during welding projects where quick reactions to tool control are critical. Another thoughtful addition is its dual guard system, which includes both a spark-resistant cutting guard and a grinding guard, allowing users to switch effortlessly based on task requirements. Despite its powerful motor, the Dongchang grinder maintains a relatively lightweight profile at just 4.2 pounds.